static palpation. There are two types of static palpation. One is the soft tissue palpation and other is the bony palpation. Palpation is nothing but touching and feeling with the fingers. Okay, so we'll start with the thoracic spine. When I slowly glide my fingers on the side of the thoracic spine, these are the spinous processes.
Yes.
Okay, and the side of the spinous processes, when I glide the things, you can see here is the muscle tone is changed. You can notice this. When I coming down, see the hump of the muscle is going.
Yeah.
And there, see here is the height.
Yes.
And when I move down, it's gone.
Now.
He has a swelling here.
Mm-hmm.
And even you can feel this very tight muscle. You can
Can I
feel,
touch
yes. You can touch from here and you can feel here.
Yes, sir.
When I
Little
glide the
bit hard.
when I glide the fingers, the spine, see the muscle tone is changed here. You see,
Yes.
there is no, here he has a swelling. This swelling, and it's painful. दुख रहा है जी है? Yeah. He has pain inside. When you press a bit harder, you can feel a knot in the muscle. Here, you press a bit harder, you can feel a tight mass. That is soft tissue. And even you can see his spine is developed a scoliosis.
Mm-hmm.
Scoliosis is nothing but a curve. It's
Yes,
not
sir.
a straight curve because this muscle is pulling this spine to this way.
Mm-hmm.
We developed scoliosis. And other side when we
So, is there any measurement to
no
spinous process and
this is the spinous process.
yes, sir. The,
The
middle
height-
one.
Middle one is the spinous
Spinous.
process, and after spinous process you will get a transverse process.
Any measurement for that, sir?
No, it's beside only.
Okay. We can feel that, sir.
These are the spinous process. You can touch here.
This I can okay.
And
This
below
one?
that,
Soft tissue.
soft tissue I am teaching. I am not teaching the transverse process, bony
Okay.
palpation.
Okay.
So when you glide your fingers here, you can see the swelling here.
Yes, sir.
See this area.
Yes.
When you touch here, the tissue is very hard.
Yes, sir.
You can touch.
Yeah.
See here a nice and very soft tissue, but here is very hard.
Yeah.
Because of the tight muscle, he got scoliosis curve.
Okay.
So we are going to do the bony palpation of the thoracic spine. We did completely, and we got subluxation here at the range of T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8, T9, and we'll do the movement. ये हाथ इधर रखो, ये हाथ इधर रखो, and here you find the subluxation, right?
Yes, sir.
Here you contact the spinous process. Between the two spinous process there is a space, and you just move the joint. Sure. You can feel the movement in each vertebra.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. See this is movement is very less. Pain हो रहा है जी इधर है? Okay. These are the movement we are going to do, and even we are going to do we are contacting the two vertebrae, spinous process, and we are doing the palpation of the rotation component. So rotation. Like this we are going to
You
do.
are touching the soft tissue, sir.
I am touching the spinous process of the
Okay.
thoracic spine. There is, for example, T9 and T8. Between that, we will place a finger. When you press T8, that will move that way. This will move that way. If it is not moving in the sense, that is fixated here. Fixation of the spine. Okay, good. Here you can see Lata, this is the swelling he has. You can notice this swelling, and this is very tight muscle, and these are very soft, you can feel, and he has the subluxation here and here, and even this. Now we are going to do the bony palpation. In that I'll teach you how to do. ये सिर ऐसा नीचे रखो जी, ऐसा ये नीचे रखो. The spinous process of the T1 will do just movement. You will see my hands how I am doing. These are the movements. See, this is moving. This is not moving. T2 joint is not moving. We are going to adjust in the three ways, in the three techniques we have. In the first technique I will teach you. We are just contacting the spinous process with the visiform hand. Okay, just contact it and relax. Adjust it. You hear the audible. Very good. And now again we will check the movement. See, restore the movement. Chiropractic is to restore the movement in the vertebrae. This is the bony palpation. Fine. This everything is fine. See here, you can feel the spinous process of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. T8 spinous process is here, T9 is here. This moved this way.
Okay.
Okay, we are going to adjust in the right side. The spinous process is on the left side, it's not on the middle.
Shall I, sir?
Yeah, you can touch there and see the spinous process is here, but this spinous process is here. You can touch.
Yeah.
It's moved this way, right? So for that what we will do, we are going to contact the transverse process of the joint. Okay, transverse process is near to the spinous process.
Spines.
You just tissue slack and opposite side will keep this hand and will rotate. You felt the cracking sound, it's moved. And see, immediately the scoliosis became straighter.
Yes, sir.
Look
Little
at-
bit, little.
Yeah, little bit.
Yes.
And even the see the swelling also reduced. See how soft it became.
Yes.
Before it was very hard, right?
Yes.
So immediately we restored the movement in the vertebral subluxation. This is the thoracic spine adjustment. And even we'll palpate the ribs. Here, these are the ribs. When you move your hands nice and clearly, this will go and stuck there. This is moving, stuck it here. It means that here he has ribs misalignment. You can feel that here you can feel the ribs are very, it's not aligned. You can touch and feel here. This rib is height than this. See this one. Okay. So we are contacting the ribs with both the piriforms, visiform, and we are going to rotate. Tissue slacking. Tissue slack. Breathe out. बाहर छोड़ो जी सांस. I'm going to just do. It's moved. And to adjust the transverse process, we have one more technique. This is the spin move. What I teach you. This is the spin move. The same way you contact the transverse process of the thoracic spine. You keep your pisiform edge on the both sides. You keep hands like this. You contact, tissue slack, and you just drop. That's the very nice and clear adjustment. Yes. Yeah, this what I did now is contact point is the transverse process.
Okay.
Spin move, contact point is the transverse process. T1 to T3, this is called scissors move. Scissors move is for spinous process.
Okay.
Scissor move in the sense this hand is here, this hand is here. And this is called spin move.
Spin.
Yeah. And this is called knife edge move. This knife edge and spin move to correct the transverse process. the scissor moves to correct the spinous process.
Oh.
Done. Here, you can notice here where you are seeing the swelling. The listening is there. See, I'm gliding the finger. The muscle is moving. Before there is a height and tissue is gone there, but here not going. It's nice and clearly moving. You can see now. See here. Before there is no, and even the swelling also reduced. Before it was more swelling, and when we glide the finger, it's very clear. You can feel there is no tight muscles in this. So like that we are going to correct the thoracic spine listenings, and even we need to do some motion palpation. We will do for next patient. Okay, what will happen when you do the bony palpation, the spinous process, when the misaligned, you will get no misalignment of the vertebra. There you will find that this is more like this.
Okay.
This is misaligned. If you glide your finger on the spinous process, here this will go. This is misaligned. For this there are 3 techniques to adjust. You can adjust the spinous process and this transverse process in the scissor spin move and knife edge contact. You contact this and tissue slack and you move this. This is going to adjust. And even palpation, you can palpate the
Soft tissue.
soft tissue is done. This is the
Transfer process.
transverse process. These are the spinous process.
Yes.
Of the, we have 12 thoracic vertebra. These are the spinous processes. We have spinous processes from C2 to L5. Even the sacrum we have spinous process. L1 there is no, C1 there is no spinous process. And here you can palpate. We palpated the lamina near the soft tissue, and bony palpation we are palpating the spinous process. If any misalignment, you easily notice in this technique. That time again we are going to do some motion palpation of the joint. Which side is fixated, we'll check and we'll adjust. It's going to clear the subluxation.